Hello and welcome. We're going to go over a couple features of my design here. It's bolt, goes back and forth, makes bullet go in, makes bullet come out. Alright, top loading, takes Glock mag from the top. This is not going to be the final mag, but it will be compatible with these mags in event that it needs to be used with one of these mags. Ejection through the side here. As the bolt goes backwards, as the bolt goes backwards, this kick hits the bump here with this bump here, kicks out the round. Adjustments will be made to this later. Hammer happens through the bottom there. More updates to come on the 3D printed trigger. Tell you, sometimes my printer's a 3D printing trigger for my emotions. Anyway, bad pun. No. Key features. Next one. Compartment here. This is for lead and epoxy. Have you ever heard of the Zip 22? It's a bad gun. It has a polymer bolt. Do you know why it's a bad gun? Because its bolt is too light. This is going to fix that problem. Moving on to the front. Here we have washers. Why washers, you say? Because this makes it nice and impact resistant. So you'll see that they're too thick there. I have the washers that we're using here on the bottom. We have that. Next level up, we have a slightly larger one, as well as a bigger one to go on top of that. There, like that. This goes here. The bottom one takes the load from the firing. That's the one I reloaded badly. This one doesn't get shot. Okay, bottom. The small one takes the force and transfers it to the surface area of the larger one. These are hot pressed into the face of the bolt. I need to drill out the hole for the firing pin because I slightly sort of melted it over a little bit when I was hot pressing those in there. Hot pressing happens with a soldering iron and some pressing. The one that goes around that is to give us this. This is cut out with a Dremel. This matches the Glock magazine profile, so it feeds. Let's see what's next. What's next is hammer time. I've done a good number of tests with this with a hammer to simulate the force of a round going off, because I can either do math or guesstimate and hit it with a hammer. Oh, this is quicker. Alright, fair warning, this is going to sound horrible. Alright, hammer. I'm going to hit it fairly hard. You may want to hit mute right about now. Let's room to swing here. Ow. Goodness. Okay, with some significant force, this shows virtually no damage, virtually no wear. Okay, so there's a little bit of rounding over on the front there, but honestly, this will go in here. I have no concerns about the durability of this. Alright, that's my prototype bolt. It's going in. Prototype gun. And I will see you all later.